This morning in the Kingdom of Remix, something was definitely off.
Okay, why is the sun rising from the royal fountain?
I declare this royal decree. Bedtime is now breakfast.
I might have mixed up the order everything spell with the scrambled pancakes one. Hick! At least I made a great omelet! Okay, let's start by putting everyone back where they belong.
Feels good to be royal again. But can I keep the juggling pies?
And so, with clear thinking and lots of giggles, the kingdom was put right again.